I always used to wear my mum's charm bracelet. I liked the way it looked, overflowing with curious objects, desperate to each tell a story of their own. Keen for me to follow in her footsteps, my mum kick-started my collection for my 21st. My brother followed suit by adding these. He knew my love of horses, the sea, and the odd glass of bubbly. My dad gave me these Welsh dragons to remind me of my time at Aberystwyth University. And then there are the ones I bought myself. They're for my trip of a lifetime to Canada, and they hold so much significance. Beautiful nature, post-graduation blues, independence. My mum recently finished off the collection so far for Guardian Angel, so no matter where I am, I know I'm safe. I hope, by the time I'm mum's age, I too can look down and see a million memories and pass on 1,000 stories.